Alright, so here we're given an image to find some value for something. Let's open up this image. Let's give it a second to load. Save. Let's open up this image. So we're given an integral. So we have to find the value, or so we have to just evaluate the integral for this function. So I'll write that down here so we can evaluate. So I just wrote down the same integral that was in the question. So x times e to the 3x dx. So this is an integral that should be evaluated by integration by parts. So to refresh your memory of what integration by parts is, so if we had an integral of u dv would give us, or would be equal to, u v minus the integral of v du. So this is just the standard formula for integration by parts. So we'll use it to evaluate. So here we essentially just have to define what u and v is. So we'll define here u as x. So x over here. And then we'll define, so if we take the integral du, or sorry, if we take the derivative of this, we get du is just dx. And then we'll define dv. So we'll define dv over here as e3x dx. So that will be e3x dx. If we take the integral of this, we get v is 1/3 e3x. So now we've kind of figured out all the components. We know what u is. U is right here. dv. dv is right here. uv here is u over here and v over here. And then we have v du, so v and du. So here we just have to kind of substitute in the values into the integration by parts formula. So substituting these in, we would get, so this down here is equal to x 1/3 e to the 3x. So this is u times v minus the integral of v, which is 1/3 e3x times du, and du here is dx. So we'll just write dx. So now we'll just kind of simplify and evaluate the integral. So here we still have 1/3, or we'll just say x over 3 e3x. And then we'll take the 1/3 to the front, and then we have the integral of e3x dx. So e3x is a simpler integral to evaluate than x3x up here. So doing this, we have x over 3 e3x. And then we have negative 1/3. And then the integral of e3x is 1/3 e3x. So now, and we have to have the constant c at the end, so dc. Sorry, so for whenever we evaluate integral, we have to add a constant at the end. So here, the next step in this solution is x over 3 e3x is minus 1/9. So a third times a third is just 1/9 e3x plus c. So this is the final answer to evaluating the integral. So here identifies that we have to use integration by parts, but no solution is present. No solution is present. Use integration by parts to get the result as follows. We get 1 over 3 x times e to the 3x minus 1 over 9 e to the 3x plus c. So that's the value of the integral. Okay, so there was no solution present and we provided the correct solution. Let's go on to the next question.